Tanong mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal. Tanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal.
Guys, and today is a very special episode. Like all good things must come to an end, because it's the final episode of Tom Travel, where it takes you to a different dimension. For our final adventure, we are here at Barks and Blend in Katipunan, Quezon City, where we are here with lots of dogs. Here, meet my friend Piolo. He's as lazy as me. And here's Coco. He just likes wet classes. I know you're all envying me right now because I'm being loved, at least by dogs. See you guys.
Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Isa lang ang damdamin, ikaw ang aking mahal. Maniwala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal.
Okay guys, dito tayo sa may QC, malapit sa may Arleo. And tangin na, sobrang traffic. Tangin na talaga. Medyo for beast mode na ako kasi hindi ko alam kung nasa ako ngayon. Sobrang layo ko from my house. My home.
Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan.
Hello again viewers, and welcome to Tom Travel, where it takes you to a different dimension. And now for part 2 of our QC field trip, we are here at the Grill Queen. See, look at all that grilled goodness. And a very rainy afternoon for you for our part 2. Look at that, see? Isn't that just hectic? Oh wait, shit, you can't see it. Anyway, you can probably see it from my pants and my shirt that I am very wet, because the struggle is real, okay? So you're gonna know. So I'll see you later while we order.
Ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman.
Ate, extra rice. Extra rice.
Tissue! Ate, yung aircon, yung aircon. Ate, hindi ko yung aircon, electric fan lang po yan. Hindi yan, yung nilalagyan ng yelo. Yan ba yun? Ba't mo pinipindot? Hindi naman sa'yo yan. Ate, tissue! Tissue po. Ate, bakit yelo to? Gusto mo kasi yung ano namin eh. Tissue.
Tissue sa kabila po. Ate, pina-follow up nila.
Kuya, kalma lang po kayo, darating rin yan. Pag hindi, yun talagang buhay.
So ginagawa mo ako? Nasaan yung manager?
Walang manager dito, kuya. Walang manager. Manager!
Nasaan na?
Sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, kahit saan pa man ang aking isisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa Hilaga o sa Timog o Kanluran.
Okay, so guys, kita na naman, busog tayo lahat. Kita nyo, busog tayo lahat. Wait, hindi ka na busog dyan.
Feeling ko, ang liit ng portion size para sa 80 pesos. Parang walang cup na yung sinerve. Pero tasty naman yung liit. Hindi yung sarap. Ako din, gutom na gutom ako ng salamat.
Bakit pina?
Nasasarapan ka?
Bakit pina? Ano masabi mo naman?
Sarap. It tastes like a lot of barbecue already.
Ikaw da? Ano mas?
Yung sunod na part, kasi sabi na.
Medyo over sila sa grill marks eh.
Burn marks. Burn.
Ikaw naman kami.
Wow. Ibang taste buds ito. Yung kanin lagi natitikman eh. Kanin is so true.
Well, solid naman yung piso nila. Feel ko just need to expand dun sa marinade na parang mag-raul. Konting mga. So, medyo, hindi naman good, hindi naman not good. Parang sobrang, well, like, perfect middle ground for a grill place. You know, not bad. Try it for yourself and see what you can say. And now moving on to Barks and Blends, the best part of my day.
That's a dog.
Dahil sa dog, sobrang, pero ang sakit kahit aso, dinideny ka pa rin. Pero I found this one dog, balik ako ngayon. Love ko na yan. Kaya naman guys, anong opinion nyo about dun sa Barks and Blends?
Hindi kami nakakain doon kasi sobrang liit yung dining area nila.
Ayun,
Sobrang ingay. Masakit kasi separate yung sa dogs tsaka yung kainin.
Pero siguro pang food safe din.
Oo, pwede. Pero kailangan mag-expand ang dining area. Bakit? Maliit nga eh. Kasi ko lang kanina eh. Diba?
Oo, hindi mo naalala eh. Tuloy-tuloy talaga tayo.
Tapos,
Yeah, no shit.
sobrang cute.
Sobrang cute ng mga aso. Like, to die for.
Si Coco, yung mahilig Mandila ng
Okay.
basa sa...
Share ka lang. Okay na yun. Okay na yun.
Hindi ko feeling
Masarap na naman yung mga drinks nila. Parang,
Oo nga pala yun.
mga tea nila, mga milk tea, mga frap.
Maraming pagpipilian na drinks. Para sa akin, mas worth it yung dog cafe kasi sa hot cafe. Mahal ang hot cafe.
190 lang siya, tapos may free drink na.
Dogs are better than cats.
Yeah.
Hindi ko naman sasukan si Jen.
Both are better. Both are better.
Medyo, it's fair. Fair fight.
So,
Medyo, ito, to be honest, medyo parang, it doesn't feel like the last episode of Kang Travel. Right? Na-feel na ba yun?
kailangan natin ka-feel.
We need a big bang for the finale. So, sa tingin mo may part 2.
Ang mga kinabawa.
The comeback of Kang Travel.
Where the taste takes you to a different dimension.
Ikaw ang aking mahal, ikaw ang aking mahal.